Was it the fact that you had made such important friendships in the house that was
Yeah,
kind
like
of-
I said it inside also, na, like for my friends, मेरा family के लिए, मेरा friends के लिए, I would go to any extent. दोस्त कॉल करके बोलेगा चुम मेरा मर्डर हो गया गलती से, come help me, I'll go.
the world today is chum and then there's chumveer.
चुमवीर, yeah.
The friendships and the relationships that you create, right? I mean, you go and do a hashtag. I think that hashtag will bring out some very, very cute edits, some beautiful memories.
So cute. I mean, you'll just fall in love. इतना प्यार प्यारा. So like right after coming out from Big Boss, I didn't sleep for 2 days. Literally 48 hours. Phone पे था. I was
Reels.
पूरा और there are few ganas. Okay, there are a lot of Bollywood songs that every day I listen because of those reels.
Really?
हाँ 5-6 गाना तो अभी वो मेरा लिस्ट Spotify में सबसे ऊपर रहता है.
I think they've made those very cute, flirtatious moments also look like epic Bollywood moments, na? ऐसे
Why?
slow moving.
Why इतना
जा
प्यारा
रहे
प्यारा
हैं।
and like perfect choice of songs also, very प्यारा.
But has it been, you know, how has your relationship today with Karan transformed into, you know, from the friendship to the one that you have today? You know, how has it transformed?
I think it's pretty much the same, but I think inside everything was very limited, no? Like कुछ ही लोगों से deal करना पड़ता था, but outside we're dealing with a lot of other things also and people also for that matter, and I think we have only grown. Yeah.
Is it difficult for you that sometimes you have to leave it undefined and people are always asking you to define what it is?
I
Because
don't
you've always said in the house as well that, you know, I'm going to see how it goes outside, but I don't know. You've kept it undefined.
Let's keep it like that only.
No, fair enough.
Yeah.
You know why I'm asking this is because I remember your mother sitting in that couch and saying that मुझे मेरे बेटी पे भरोसा है, right? When they were questioning, saying, oh no, there's romance going on and whatever. Said मुझे कुछ बोलना नहीं है, मुझे मेरे बेटी पे भरोसा है. It comes from a protective mother. We understand that she's given you the freedom, but there is also this untold एक line होता है ना कि I trust you completely. There is
But
also
like I told you about my parents, they are intellectual people. Okay, they have seen life. They know like more than me at least. So they have complete faith on me. I have complete faith on them, and whatever choices I make in life now, they'll never be like I won't go against them ever. But if I make some choices, they'll never be against me also.
They will support you.
Yeah, always, without any doubt.